They say the kitchen is the soul of the house, just like the stomach is the way to the heart. We spend a considerable amount of time in a week in the kitchen, whether we are making a full-course meal or just making our coffee to rejuvenate us for the day. Number 1. The L-shaped kitchen. An L-shaped layout for a kitchen typically consists of cabinets along two perpendicular walls, as that allows for more storage and a better view of the entire kitchen from a central location. It also allows for extra storage under the cabinets. Number 2. The one-wall kitchen. The one-wall kitchen, where the single-wall kitchen is another example of how even in small spaces, a kitchen can stay organized. There can also be cabinets or shelves up and down the wall to create a neat feeling and aesthetic. Number 3. The U-shaped kitchen. This design is ideally suitable for larger kitchens. The kitchen consists of cabinetry on the three sides of the wall, forming a quite literal U shape. There is space for food preparation and storage. There can be sample space with a large pantry, cabinets, and shelves for everyday use. That's tips for today. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.